Hello students, let's start the second lesson. Subject English, Standard 11. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So the title here, it is a mentioning about that we should not afraid if we are together. So let's start the explanation. In July 1976, my wife Mary sent Jonathan, 6, daughter Susan, 7, and I set a sail from Plymouth, England, to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by the Captain James Cook. So here it is a mention about the story July 1976. The name of the wife here it is a mention the Mary, their son Jonathan 6 years and the daughter Susan 7 years old, and the narrator himself. So total 4 character in the story. They ready. They set a sail. Set a sail, it means about to ready for a trip from the Plymouth, England, to duplicate. It means repeat the round the voyage. Round the voyage, it means traveling the whole world by the sea routes, made 200 years earlier by the Captain James Cook. So as per the Captain James Cook, 200 years completed the same history. Now the narrator and his family wanted to duplicate, it means wanted to repeat. For the longest time, Mary and I, a 37 years old businessman, had a dream of selling. So Mary and the narrator age here it is a mention the 37 years old, a businessman. They had a dream to finish the voyage on wake of the famous explorer, and for a past 16 years we had spent all our leisure time holding our sea faring skills in British water. So they took a 16 years. Here it is a mention last 16 years they spent all their leisure, it means a free time, to sharp their skill, honing our seafaring skill. Here it means about to the sharp the skills in the British water. Our boat wave walkers, the name of the Mary, narrator Jonathan and the Susan, they travelled through the boat called to the wave walkers, a 23 meters 30 tons wooden hulled beauty. So here it is a mention about 23 meters long, and the weight here it is a mention about the 30 tons. 1 ton equal to the 1000 kg. So next here it is a mention, it is a built as per the professionally built. We had spent a month fitting it out and testing in the roughest weather we could find. So they checked all the thing. They test the wave walkers in the roughest weather. The first leg of our planned 3 years, 1,05,000 kilometers journey passed pleasantly as we sailed down the west coast of the Africa to Cape Town. So here it is a mention about they planned the voyage a 3 years course. So the 3 years course plan, they completed the 1,05,000 kilometers journey they passed pleasantly, and they sailed down the west coast of the Africa to America. So from Africa to the Cape Town they have finished their pleasant journey, and the measurement here mentioned about of the Africa to the Cape Town here mentioned about the 1,05,000. There before heading east we took two crew member, American Larry Vigil and the Swiss Herb Selger. So they heading east, it means the sail heading east side. Before they going to the east side, they took the two another crew member, American Larry Weigel and the Swiss Herb Segal to help the tackle the one of the world's roughest sea. For the tackle it means to control the situation of the world's roughest sea, southern Indian Ocean. So to protect to themselves, they have taken the another crew member Larry and the Herb Segal. Next page, here it is a mention. On our second day out of Cape Town, we began to encounter strong gales. Here it is a mention. Our second day out of Cape Town, to left the Cape Town, and on the second day we began to encounter the strong waves. For the next few weeks, they bloomed continuously. The gales did not worry me, but the size of the waves was alarming, about the 15 meters, as high as our main mast. So here it is a mention about that after the second day when they left the Cape Town, the waves strongly encountered to them, and for the next weeks the waves unable to stop, they were higher and higher. So here it is a mentions about the higher up to the 15 years, and they touch to the main pole of the boat. Next paragraph, December 25 found as a 3,500 kilometer east of the Cape Town, and on the December 25th they found themselves 3,500 kilometer east of the Cape Town. From the Cape Town, they 3,500 kilometers away. Despite atrocious weather, it means about the bad weather, he had the wonderful holiday completed with the Christmas tree. As per about to the bad weather, they have enjoyed the 25th December as a Christmas. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather till to the New Year. It means after the 7 days there is no change in the atmosphere. Still it is a very atrocious. But we reasoned that it had to change soon, and it did change for the worse. But we had a hope that the weather might change, but it changed into the not the good form but into the worse form. At dawn on the January 2nd, the waves were gigantic. On the next day after the New Year, the waves became a very giant. We were sailing with only a one small strong zip, and we are still making 8 knots. Here it is a mentions about they have the only the strong jib. It means about the sail. They have a large and the small, but that time they have only the small sail, and the speed of the boat waymakers 8 knots. As the ship rose to the top of each waves, we could see the endless enormous ship rolling towards us. So here it is the mentions about that the waves lets upwards to us. So we can see the enormous seas. It means endless seas, a giant seas rolling towards us when we reaching to the as the top of the waves. The screaming of the wind and the spray was a painful to ears, and the sound of the waves, which is a painful to us. To slow the boat down, we dropped the storm jib and lost a heavy mooring, a rope in the loop across the stream. So here it is a mentions about we slow down the boat. It means we reduce the speed. We dropped the small jib, and with the rope we tied the string. Next there is a mention. Then we double a lash. It means we tied the rope through the string in the twist, so the grip can become a more controllable. Then we doubt a less everything. Went through our life raft drill. We thought about there may be the very dangerous to us, and that is why we have weared our life jacket, attached our lifelines, done Here it means about to the wear, DONNER, don't oil skins and life jackets and weighted. So those things they wear it related to the life raft drills. It means about to the small boat. Here it is a mention about to next one about to the jacket. They uh, pasted the oil skins etc. and they waited for the another giant waves. Further explanation I'll post later.